The New York State Education Department presents an explanation of multiple-choice task models for the new Regents examination in Global History and Geography 2, narrated by Dan King from the Office of State Assessment. Part 1 of the new Regents examination in Global History and Geography 2 will be composed of 25 to 30 stimulus-based multiple-choice questions. The exact number of multiple-choice questions on any given examination will be determined through information gathered from field testing, and, once determined, a set number of items will be established. It will then be the same number of multiple-choice items from one test administration to the next. The other parts of the new Regents examination in Global History and Geography 2 are Part 2, 2 or 3 sets of stimulus-based, short constructed response questions, and Part 3, 1 document-based, enduring issues essay with no scaffold questions. This presentation is focused on Part 1, the stimulus-based multiple-choice questions. Each multiple-choice question on the Global History and Geography 2 examination will be tied to a stimulus. A stimulus can be a reading passage, cartoon, photograph, map, chart, and so on. A stimulus will usually have 2 or 3 questions associated with it, though there may occasionally be a stimulus with only one associated question. Every multiple-choice question will test content and skills. The content is found in the Grade 10 section of the New York State K-12 Social Studies Framework. The skills component of each question is represented by a task model. Task models are designed to elicit the use of a particular social studies skill and to address content from the framework. Currently, there are 15 task models around which each multiple-choice question for the Global History and Geography 2 examination is being built. This number may fluctuate if it is determined that new task models are needed, or if existing task models are found through field testing not to work. The full draft list of task models, including connections to claims and evidence, is available for download on the Social Studies Assessment page on Engage New York. When writing multiple-choice questions for the new Regents examination in Global History and Geography 2, item writers identify a social studies skill they want to test. They then determine which task model best elicits that skill. Last, they determine which content from the framework best works with that task model. Using this system, each multiple-choice item marries skills with content. Thank you very much for watching this presentation. We hope you have found it helpful. To accompany this presentation, we have provided a document set that will be useful to you in your schools. This includes a transcript of this presentation, a draft of the task models, and the claims and evidence document. If you have any questions or comments, please email the Office of State Assessment at emscassessinfo@nysed.gov.